Now, please turn your attention to our awesome athletic director, Rob Johnson.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I got to tell you, this last 5 years has really defined us and what a Shap family is all about. This has had probably the biggest impact in our community. Wish Week has had the biggest impact on our school. All the way down to each and every one of you, it's had a huge impact. I've seen it. We've witnessed it. It's been unbelievable. So I just challenge you to keep this going. My other challenge is to give. Give, give, give. What does that look like for you? Where are you in your life? What does that look like? Is it filling up those buckets? I hope so. We got a minute to do that really soon. Is it going to an evening to have dinner with the Wish Week group? Is it going down the hallway one day and you see a kid kind of struggling, you put your hand on their shoulder and you say, hey, can I help you? How you doing? What can I do for you? That's the same thing. That's just like giving something, right? You'll get something in return. You know what else you could do maybe, goofballs, is you can go to class on time all next week. Let's try to go out. Let's do that. Let's be on time, huh? Huh? Yeah. Let's make people around you better. But we have a family, a special kid that really needs us. They need you. They need all of us. They need our community. They need our Shap family. I want them to hear in the team room this place go crazy. Because I want them to feel our unity, our togetherness. And we're going to do that by first standing up and follow what I say. Here we go. Get up. Get up. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I believe. I believe that. I believe that we. I believe that we will. You ready to blow this up? This is for every kid who struggles with the disease. This is for every adult. Anybody struggling? I believe that we will win. Very good. Good job.
Mrs. Muse, Coach Pace, the Martignacs, and Mr. Johnson, thank you for talking to us about what it means to be there for each other and the power of a wish.
Now, Shap, it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for.
Please direct your attention to the screen to find out the newest member of the Shap family.
My Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event! Let's get ready to rumble!
Y'all ready for this?
Still hot, knock your shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business. I live this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those horns, you finish. A soldier.
So, Chaparral, are you guys ready to meet your 2018 Wish Kid Jakob? There he is! Here is Jakob, everybody. All right, so we're going to stay on our feet, and we're going to do the marching cheer with Jakob himself. Get it, buddy. All right, let's lock arms. All right, just hold this. All right, you guys ready? And we're marching to the beat. I said, let me see your alligator. I said, let me see your alligator. And we're marching to the beat. I said, let me see your supermodel. I said, let me see your supermodel. And we're marching to the beat. I said, let me see your Wish Week spirit. I said, let me see your Wish Week spirit. You go ahead and sit down. You're good. All right, now let's take a moment and learn a little bit more about Jakob.
Well, I play like every sport really, but my favorites are soccer and hockey. Well, I mean, it's kind of a rough house sport, so I get to go and do some rough stuff. Well, I am a child still.
I think, well, he's very active and he makes me happy. He's an all-around great kid, and just being around him, he kind of glows his personality. So I think that's probably my favorite thing about him. I'll always treasure our moments. Our journey together, in the beginning it started out kind of rough. In his first year he had 5 surgeries. It was a rough start, but he's a strong little boy. We almost lost him his first year, but he's a fighter. It's something we have to keep on every day. We have a daily regimen. About an hour a day is for medications and keeping him on track so he doesn't get sick. And we're doing really good per the doctors and the nurses. He's just, I don't know, he's just a cool kid. He's my heart. Watching him grow, and we just work together as a team. If he needs help, I will help him, and we just stick together. So, it makes me proud.
Things that make me happy are eating lunch, eating dinner, taking my meds, eating potato skins because they're my favorite food. It symbolizes to me never giving up, and he always tries. He just keeps telling people to move forward.
Well, it stands for something positive and great, and I just wanted him to be able to experience it. I think it's going to be good for the school and everybody. It's going to be like a community event, and I think that's pretty cool.
I am very excited to be part of the Chaparral family.
Oh, give it to Jacob, right?
Yep.
Ready? I'll say a few words.
Test? You guys can hear me? I just want to say thank you to all of you for coming here and supporting me, and thanking all the other Make-A-Wish kids for problems they have also. And I want to thank people like Sarah for making this stuff happen, and my parents for still keeping around for who I am today. And I want to thank the government, the student government of Chaparral, for helping set up everything, and to all of you for helping make this moment happen. So.
We're so thankful Make-A-Wish Colorado connected us with such an incredible family.
Jacob's wish to meet John Cena is a wish that we are all really excited about.
Even if you don't follow professional wrestling, the name John Cena probably rings a bell. He's one of the biggest stars of the WWE who shows great dedication to training and giving back.
John Cena has long ago turned the motto, never give up, from his wrestling career into a motto for sick children who have to fight every day more than the WWE superstar has ever had to fight in the ring.
He epitomizes what it means to truly give back. It's not about giving money, but rather showing love and support to those who need it. John Cena is also famous for his hustle, loyalty, respect quotes. We truly believe this captures the spirit of our Chaparral Wish Week and our school's dedication to taking care of one another.
With that, Chap, we have lots to talk about for this week, so please direct your attention to the screen to discuss those that have helped contribute to this amazing week ahead.